Hi friends, welcome back. Today it's a traditional Kerala breakfast combo recipe, Idiyappam or string hoppers and egg curry with coconut milk. To make the egg curry, here I have taken 2 onions, and 4 potatoes. It's a very common recipe. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic and a 1-inch piece of ginger. We'll crush it and keep it aside. Here I have taken 6 eggs for boiling. Actually for this recipe 4 eggs are enough. I have just taken extra. And into a pan we'll add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add the chopped onions, and here I have taken 2 green chillies slit. You can add more chillies as per your taste. Saute it and add the crushed ginger and garlic. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. And saute it till the raw smell of the ginger and garlic goes. And into this we'll add the cubed potatoes also and fry it along with the onions for about 1 minute till it is slightly fried. And into this 1/4 teaspoon of chilli powder, which is optional, and then 3 teaspoons heaped of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and half teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute it till the masalas are slightly roasted. And into this, today instead of fresh coconut milk, I am using coconut milk powder. Here I have taken 25 grams packet. Out of that, 1 teaspoon I have added into this, and about 2.5 cups of water. Add salt to taste and allow it to cook. To make the idiyappam, here I have taken 2 cups of water, and into that salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Here I am using red raw rice powder. For 2 cups of water, we have to add 1.5 cups of rice flour. After the water starts boiling, and then we'll mix it properly. Remove it from flame and mix it well. Once the flour is properly mixed with water, we'll close it and keep it aside so that it cools down slightly. Now we'll knead the dough with our hands, and make it nice and soft. Now the potatoes are nicely cooked, so into this we'll add the eggs. Add 3/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder and a little more of pepper powder to taste. You can taste the curry and add accordingly. And whatever the remaining coconut milk powder, I have used to make coconut milk, about 3/4 cup of coconut milk, and I've added it into this, and we'll allow it to heat till and switch off the flame just before it starts boiling. And for the tempering, here I have taken coconut oil and fluttered the mustard seeds, and into that some shallots and curry leaves, and the tempering goes into the curry. And a tasty coconut milk egg curry is ready. Now we will make the idiyappams. While making the balls for the idiyappam to be put into the idiyappam maker, again press it nicely and make balls. While making idiyappam, I am always reminded of this Malayalam movie Jaya He, where the son wants idiyappam every day for breakfast, and how the mother makes it for him. Grease the idiyappam plate with sesame oil and press out the dough onto the plate. And now I have already kept water to boil on the stove. Once the water boils, we will keep this idiyappam stand in the pot, and then we will allow it to steam for 5 to 7 minutes. By 7 minutes, our idiyappams will be ready. During my younger days, we used to have this idiyappam with coconut and sugar. First, we'll mix coconut and sugar and put it on the idiyappam plate after greasing, and then on top of that, we'll press out the idiyappams and steam it. So that was a sweet breakfast item without curry. And also we can have it with coconut milk, sweetened coconut milk. Spiced with cardamom and cumin seeds. Actually, that is my favorite. Now here the idiyappams are ready after 5 to 7 minutes. How do you like idiyappam? Is it with curry, or do you like the sweet version? Please do comment. Thank you for watching.